Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Easy Peasy Math. Today we will do addition in our maths class. Let's all get started. Look, there are two strawberries and two strawberries. We have to plus this, okay? One, two, three, four. The answer will be 4. Yes. Now we have bananas. Do you like bananas? Count them. One, two, three, and 4. 3 plus 4 is equals to 7. Very good. Now, next we have the butterflies. 1 plus 3. Count them. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, this is the way you have to do the addition. Next, we have candies. I think you all love candies now. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1 is equals to 8. We have 8 candies in total. Now, next is the balls. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is the 9. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do you like this video? If you like, share, and subscribe. Easy peasy maths. Bye bye, everyone.